So I know most of you are tired of being on wait list on Outlier or even getting banned. And of course, guys, most of you are unable to create an account on the Outlier because it is not available in all regions. But today, guys, don't worry, I'll show you how to hijack the biggest traffic wave of 2026, the FIFA World Cup. So I will show you how to turn viral football traffic into predictable dollar payouts using Monetag, a premier global ad monetization platform built for websites, social media traffic, apps, and smart links. So guys, unlike corporate platforms with massive gatekeepers, Monetag offers instant account approval and zero minimum traffic requirement. So this is simply amazing, and it works flawlessly across 200 plus countries with reliable weekly payouts starting at just $5. So guys, let's look at the deployment matrix. Why World Cup traffic is a money machine. Now guys, the FIFA World Cup 2026 runs from June to July, featuring 48 teams playing 104 matches over a 39-day window, and this creates a massive global audience spikes with billions of views worldwide. And because of this massive concentration of attention, advertiser budget hit a seasonal peak. CPM rates soar. Many publishers earn significantly more money for the exact same traffic. So guys, this is simply amazing. Sports, news, and entertainment niches benefit the most, but even non-sports sites see massive spillover traffic from search engines and social media. So guys, I want you to take note of this. Do not wait until the heaviest tournament matches start to scramble. So publishers who actually set up their monitor ad stack early in May earn significantly more than those who wait until June. So make sure you prepare your ad stack right now. And to extract maximum revenue from this tournament, so guys, make sure you use Monetag's signature multi-tag technology. So now multi-tag is an AI driven script that lets you combine different high performing ad formats into one single tag. Alright, so as you can see right here, multi-tag is your master key to intelligent ad inventory monetization. As you can see right here, an AI based technology that leverages ad formats to help you monetize every aspect of your ad inventory, automate the ad selection, and boost CPM rate. And of course, guys, this is the most advanced intellectual algorithm of advertising delivery, and it generates higher yield by up to 53 percent, which is simply amazing. As you can see right here, the multi-tag, it has push notifications, in-page push, big banner, and pop under right there. So now let's quickly look at all of them. Skill ad inventory with 5 AI enhanced ad format, and this cover 100% of your web, mobile, and Telegram mini app traffic. So now as you can see right here, pop under ad. This is what this is all about, and pop under or one click ad are a monetization powerhouse and one of their top performing ad format in terms of revenue. So guys, now if you are going to start this, this is the core revenue engine for high volume traffic spikes, and this is ideal during live match broadcasts and live score sessions. So you can simply make a whole lot of money using this pop under or pop ads right there. So another one, which is the push notifications, and as you can see, a flexible solution suitable for any website. Now push notifications provide a positive user ad experience and are fully compatible with Google Assets. So this is nice. This is nice. This is compatible with Google Assets. And another one right here is Vignette banner, and a remarkably effective native banner includes a small header and description plus close and CTA buttons, and allows to get better CPM rate and contribute to a higher CTR. And another one is in-page push right here. This is highly customizable ad format that works across all devices and platforms, including iOS and Mac OS. So the last one right here, which is SmartLink, also known as direct link, and you can simply monetize any traffic type with this special URL designed to automatically take your visitors to the most relevant offers. So I'll show you how to actually use this. So now to actually sign up, you want to come to where you see sign up right there. It is very important you use your real information when you are creating your account right there. So you can simply create account with email or with Google right there. So you can simply click on the create account with email. So if you are an individual or company, you want to specify right here. So you want to make sure you fill out the form using the English keyboard layout right here. You want to enter your first name, your last name, your real email, your country of residence. Make sure you are choosing your country of residence, the contact right here, the phone number. Of course, ID verification may be required right here, so you want to click on continue. But I've created an account already, so I simply want to sign in. So guys, before we copy our direct link or a smart link from here, you can also come to where you see referral program right here and copy your referral link and share with a friend. And guys, you're going to earn will actually make use of your referral link. So now you simply want to come to where you see direct link right here and click on add direct link. So when you click on add direct link, you'll be able to actually generate a new link right here. So you'll be able to copy it and take it to your website and embed it. So being able to generate a new link, so you can simply click on copy, or better still, you can come to where you see create a new link right here. So if you have a website, all right, so you can add the tag to your website and start earning from ads shown to your audience. All right, so if you need a website, if you want to create a website and start earning, you simply want to specify in the comment section and I'll take it all from there. All right, so you can add this to your website, or you can also monetize your social traffic such as social media posts, reels, shorts, TikToks, and other content with this direct link or smart link. So you want to copy this and embed it on your social traffic, all right, such as Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So you can also monetize your Telegram with this right here. All right, so now I'll simply show you how you can simply do this with a blogger website. Now if you want to click on the new post to actually get started right here, once click on new post. So now remember we are posting about FIFA World Cup. So I want to come here and simply type something related. I want you to generate post, a blog post on the Portugal match. Alright, so I'll simply send the prompt. So as you can see, this is the post right here. So I'll simply copy the title and my blog, add it right there. So once you come back and copy the body, alright, so I want to copy the body, and so guys, you can take your time with this. Alright, this is just for the purpose of this tutorial. So this is right here. So you want to add this right here, then add capital letter. Right, so you can bold it or change it to italics. Or so now as you can see, you can simply highlight it. All right, so you want to highlight it, all right, to add your link. So now the next thing you want to simply copy your Monetag link. Remember the link we created earlier. So you want to copy the link, all right. So now when you copy the link, you want to come here and click on this right there, insert link or edit link. You want to add it right there, paste, and open this in a new window, apply. So now you can simply copy this and maybe duplicate it, you understand. So you can duplicate this, copy, and let me add it right here below this. Alright, so guys, just want to be creative with this. You can add it right here or anywhere. So now after that, you want to click on publish. So as you can see, we've created this post. So I want to view it. All right, so guys, this is it, guys. This is already live. This is the trick about this. Now, the moment a visitor clicks this particular link or test to actually share this call, Monetags ad engine deploys, and you get paid in dollars instantly. It installs and goes live in under 10 minutes, and it works completely side by side with Google AdSense, allowing you to stack your revenue streams with zero conflict. All right, so this is simply amazing. You should be able to earn when a visitor click on this. All right, so now we advise you to simply start today. All right, start today because World Cup is from June to July. All right, so the World Cup is actually moving fast, and the publishers who deploy right now are the ones who will secure the biggest payout. So make sure you click on the link in the description or the comment section to actually register. So guys, this is what I have for you in this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this video with a friend out there. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.